The world is looking for answers. Climate change, natural disasters, fast-growing urban populations, declining working populations, and the new normal that will follow COVID-19. All urgent issues that need solutions. Toshiba is moving forward in 4 areas: infrastructure systems, advanced devices products, infrastructure services, and data services. The synergy loop of these 4 functions will promote unprecedented value creation, making Toshiba an infrastructure services company, a contributor of solutions to complex issues. Infrastructure systems sustains society. It supports a new era of renewable energy and sustainable urban growth. Devices Products realizes high-level infrastructure. Our semiconductors, rechargeable batteries, and other innovations are the building blocks of essential infrastructure. They are shaping our society and will help shape our future. Infrastructure Services maintains and manages infrastructure over the long term. Equipment inspection, maintenance and renewals, and O&M ensure full protection of essential infrastructure in constant use. Data Services is a fast-emerging driver of growth. Data from manufacturing, our infrastructure services, and our partners in data service provision are collected, analyzed, and the results are applied to real-world problems. Technology, knowledge, and experience in diverse business sectors accumulated over many years as a manufacturer, as well as information processing and digital and AI technology. The synergy loop of these 4 functions will promote unprecedented value creation. Toshiba's open innovation will solve all kinds of issues. The synergy loop of these 4 functions will promote unprecedented value creation. As an infrastructure services company, we will continue to help to resolve major issues. Toshiba will further develop advanced technologies to create value and contribute to the future of society. Committed to people, committed to the future.